The power grid is not something I trust anymore. Storms hit, prices are rising, and lately it all feels like we're one bad storm away from being in real trouble. I wanted something reliable, scalable, and something I could actually control. And that's why I decided to invest in the industry-leading home backup power solution, the Anker SOLIX F3800 series. So these are portable backup power stations for your home. You can start small and then expand as your needs grow. Installation is so simple. You can do it yourself or just hire an electrician to install the home backup power panel and the HPP in just a couple hours. Then just plug, power, and have peace of mind. This is the Anker SOLIX F3800. It has 1,800 watts of AC wall charging and 2,400 watts of solar input. It also has 120 and 240 dual voltage output. Cover your fridge, lights, sump pump, even heavy appliances. This one unit will cover you in most outages. But this is the all-new Anker SOLIX F3800 Plus. It might look the same as its predecessor, but there are some major upgrades with this unit. If you're looking for more solar input, generator compatibility, or full home backup power for an extended period of time, this is the unit for you. The F3800 Plus gives you 3,200 watts of solar input, and it gives you 240 volt, 6,000 watt generator support, which means you can charge your F3800 Plus from a generator, which will reduce your generator use and keep you off grid longer. This higher voltage charging basically just means the F3800 Plus can handle anything life throws at you. But here's the game changer. These two units, they work together. So if you've already invested in the Anker SOLIX F3800, don't worry. Scaling your home system with the F3800 Plus won't be making your tech obsolete, it's improving it. Connect them using the Anker SOLIX Home Power Panel or the Double Power Hub. And suddenly you've got a smart, scalable home backup power system. And the app keeps it all running smooth with real-time monitoring, smart charging, and auto backup when the grid fails. Together, the F3800 and F3800 Plus can offer 1 to 2 weeks of whole home backup power. Now that is security. This isn't about tech for the sake of tech. This is about knowing your family is covered no matter what. When storms roll in, we don't stress. And when the grid goes down, the lights stay on. And when energy prices spike, we have solar feeding our system. Now, the beauty of this setup is that you don't need to go all in one day. Start with one unit and add another when life changes. It grows with you. So if you're looking for backup power that just makes sense, that's smart, scalable, and built to last, the Anker SOLIX F3800 series is for you. Reliable power on your terms. That's what this is all about.